ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்ல இருக்கிற ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சாப்டர் ரிலேஷன்ஸ் அண்ட் ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ் பார்க்க போறோம். அதுல வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் பாத்தீங்கன்னா கார்ட்டீசியன் ப்ராடக்ட் ஆஃப் டூ செட்ஸ் பார்க்க போறோம். அதுக்கப்புறம் கார்ட்டீசியன் ப்ராடக்ட் ஆஃப் த்ரீ செட்ஸ். ஓகேவா? என்னுடைய நேம் வந்து புருஷோத்தமன். என்னுடைய வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பர் 9498107494. என்னுடைய மொபைல் நம்பர் 7904913090. போர்டில் ரைட் பண்ண நோட் பண்ணிக்கங்க. உங்களுக்கு எந்த டவுட் இருந்தாலும் கேட்கலாம். வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பர் 9498107494. இது என்னுடைய வாட்ஸ்அப் நம்பர். உங்களுக்கு டவுட் ஏதாவது இருந்தாலும் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் நீங்க வாட்ஸ்அப் அனுப்பிச்சுட்டீங்கன்னா சால்வ் பண்ணி அனுப்பிச்சு விட்டுருவேன். இன்னொரு நம்பருக்கு வந்து வாட்ஸ்அப் கிடையாது, ஒன்லி கால்ஸ் மட்டும்தான். அதுக்கான நம்பர் நோட் பண்ணிக்கங்க. 790-491-3090. என் நேம் நோட் பண்ணிக்கங்க. KCPURUSHOTHAMAN. புருஷோத்தமன். நான் எம்எஸ்சி மேக்ஸ் படிச்சிருக்கேன். 20 இயர்ஸ் இந்த டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்ல டீச்சிங் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ், அப்புறம் டியூஷன் எடுத்த எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்கு. அதனால ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு வந்து எந்த அளவுக்கு சொல்லி கொடுத்தா ஈஸியா புரியும் அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு அனுபவத்தின் அடிப்படையிலும் இப்ப இருக்கிற சிச்சுவேஷன்ல எல்லாமே ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் போயிட்டு இருக்கிறதுனால இது இந்த மாதிரி நம்ம அனுப்பிச்சோம்னா அது எல்லாருக்கும் யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும் அப்படிங்கிற கான்செப்ட்ல தான். இதுல வேற எந்த மோட்டிவும் கிடையாது. நல்ல ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ஈஸியா மார்க் எடுக்கணும், மென்டல் ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் எல்லாம் மார்க் எடுக்கணும். அதுக்கான கிளாஸஸ் நம்ம பார்ப்போம். 10th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்ல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சாப்டர் ரிலேஷன் ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸ்ல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து ஆர்டர்ட் பேர்ஸ். ஆர்டர்ட் பேர்ஸ்னா எப்படி எழுதுறது? என்ன பேர்னாவே தெரியும். 2 எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் பேர் ரைட் பண்ணணும். அதான் ஆர்டர்ட் பேர்ஸ். அது எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் A equal to set 1 2 3 4 ஒரு 4 எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு அப்படின்னா Bங்கிற செட்ல ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நம்ம ஆல்பாபெட்ஸ் கூட எடுத்துக்கலாம். உங்களுக்கு நல்லாவே தெரியும் ஆல்பாபெட்ஸ் வந்து நம்ம எப்பவுமே செட் நோட்டேஷனுக்குள்ள ரைட் பண்ணும்போது ஸ்மால் லெட்டர்ஸ்ல தான் ரைட் பண்ணுவோம். ABCD 4 ஆல்பாபெட்ஸ் B செட்ல இருக்கு. செட் ஆஃப் ஆர்டர்ட் பேர்ஸ். ஆர்டர்ட் பேர்ஸ் எப்படி ரைட் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா, இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் செட்ல இருக்கிற ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எலிமெண்ட் என்ன? 1. செகண்ட் செட் எலிமெண்ட் A. This is the set of ordered pair. The second one 2, B. The third one 3, C. The fourth one 4, D. These are called ordered pairs. Okay. In this set, first element belongs to set A. The second element belongs to or is an element of set B. Okay. These are the ordered pairs. Next, we have to see Cartesian product of two sets. For that also, we take these two sets A and B. Okay. Cartesian product or cross product. Cartesian product is also called cross product. For that, we take the same sets A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to A, B, C, D. Cartesian product means normal multiplication. That's all. So, Cartesian product of two sides. It is denoted by A cross B. A cross B this is also normal multiplication. Normal multiplication, but it should be right in ordered pairs. So, first we have to take first element 1, then multiply the elements of complete B sets. So, the first one, 1 comma A. Second, again, 1 comma B. 1 comma B. Again, 1 comma C. Then 1 comma D. Okay. First element over. Then the second, we take second element 2, multiply with the second set B. That one, 2 comma A, 2 comma B, 2 comma C, 2 comma D. Then the third element, 3. We can write 3 comma A, 3 comma B, 3 comma C, and 3 comma D. Next, we take the fourth element, 4. 4 comma A, 4 comma B, 4 comma C, and 4 comma D. Okay. This is the Cartesian product of two sets A and B. Okay. It is denoted by A cross B. This is Cartesian product or cross product. Okay. We can also find out B cross A. B cross A. For B cross A, we have to take first set B and the second set as A. So, B cross A written A comma 1. First we take A, then multiply 1, A2, A3, A4. The same way B1, B2, B3, B4. Again C1, C2, C3, C4. Okay. So A comma 1, A comma 2, A comma 3, A comma 4. Then the second element B. B comma 1, B comma 2, B comma 3, B comma 4. Again C comma 1, C comma 2, C comma 3, C comma 4. Then the last element D. D comma 1, D comma 2, D comma 3, D comma 4. Okay. This is the cross product of B cross D. Here we have to find out A cross B is not equal to B cross D. This is the main result. A cross B is not equal to B cross A. But cardinality is equal. This is A cross B. A cardinality N of A. What is N of A? That is N of A cross B. N of A cross B. Already we know cardinality. That is the number of elements present in the set. Okay. So how many elements are here? ordered pairs. So in A cross B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So n of A cross B equal to 16. Okay. Here the cardinality of A cross B, that is n of A cross B equal to 16. The same way cardinality of B cross A, n of B cross A is also 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12 and 16. Okay. So, n of A cross B, n of A cross B equal to n of B cross A. But A cross B is not equal to B cross B. So, we have to put it in your mind. A cross B is not equal to B cross A. N of A cross B equal to N of B cross A. Okay? Let us revise once again. This is the cross product or Cartesian product. Cartesian product. Cartesian product or cross product. Okay. Okay. Once again, recall it. This is the Cartesian product of two sets. The given two sets are A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B equal to A, B, C, D. This is the cross product or a Cartesian product. So A cross B equal to, first we take first element, multiply the second set. 1, A, 1, B, 1, C, 1, D. First. Second one, 2, A, 2, B, 2, C, 2, D. And the same way we take 3, 3, A, 3, B, 3, C, 3, D. And 4, A, 4, B, 4, C, 4, D. This is the B. This is A cross B. In the same way we can write B cross A. For B cross A we should take first set as B, second set as A. This is B cross A. In the same way we have to write B cross A. From these two we get one result. A cross B is not equal to B cross A. But n of A cross B equal to n of B cross A. Okay? Okay, see. Hi friends. Now let us see the Cartesian product of three sets. This is called triple product. Cartesian triple product. Okay? Here, three sets A, B, C given. We have to find out A cross B cross C. Okay? Now, first we have to find the Cartesian product of first two sets. A cross B. First we have to find Cartesian product of first two sets A and B. Okay. Here, first we take first element, multiply all the elements of B. Okay. So, 0, 0. 0, 0. The second one is first 0, 0. Again 0, 1. Okay. First element over. The second element 1, 0 and 1, 1. Okay. First 0, 0, 0, 1. The second one 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. This is A cross B. Then we have to find A cross B cross C. Okay. Already we have find A cross B. Okay. In this A cross B, we should consider the first ordered pair must be one element. We have to consider first ordered pair one element, second ordered pair one element in the same way. Okay. This is A cross B into C. This is A cross B. This is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. This is A cross B into C. What is C? This is also 0, 1. Next we have to find the A cross B cross C. Already I told you we should consider the ordered pairs must be one element. Okay. First we take first element 0, 0 multiply with the first element. So 0, 0, 0. Okay. Okay, let us continue. Already we have find A cross B. We should write this. Then cross C. Already I told you this ordered pair we consider as an element. Okay. So the first you take first element, then multiply the second set. Okay. 0, 0, 0. This is 0, 0, 0. Next 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. Okay. First element over. Now let us take second element 0, 1, 0. Again 0, 1, 1. Okay. Second element over. Now let us take third element. This is 1, 0, 0. Again 1, 0, 1. Okay. Then first element over, second element over, third element over. Then now let us take the fourth element. 1, 1, 0. Again 1, 1, 1. Okay. All the elements are multiplied. So this is the Cartesian product or cross product of three elements. Okay. This is the Cartesian triple product. Okay. Now let us continue. Let us see the important exercise sum. This is 1 point exercise number 1.1, 7th question. Okay. The question is the set A equal to the set of all natural numbers less than 8. Okay. Set of all natural numbers less than 8. Next, set B, the set of all prime numbers less than 8. The first question is natural numbers. The second question is prime numbers. Then the third question, that is third set, C equal to the set of even prime numbers. Set of even prime numbers. We have to verify. The first one is A intersection B cross C equal to A cross C intersection B cross C. The another identity A cross B difference C equal to A cross B difference A cross C. Now let us find the answers. The first question, this, we have to find the solution. First, given. What is given? The given set A equal to set notation. The set of all natural numbers less than 8. Already we know the natural numbers started with 1. Okay, the first number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's also going on. The first number is 1. The question is the set of all natural numbers less than 8. Less than 8 means we should stop up to 7 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Less than 8 is important. Natural numbers also important. The starting for the first number of natural number is 1. Less than 8 means we should stop before number, the 7. This is the given information. Then the set B. The set B, the set of all prime numbers less than 8. Okay. What are the prime numbers? Already we know 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. There are 25 numbers from 1 to 100. Okay. So, less than 8. Less than 8 means there are 4 numbers. That is 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. The third set, C equal to the set of even prime numbers. We know all the prime numbers are odd numbers except only one. The first prime number. The first prime number 2. 2 is the only one even prime number. There is no other even prime numbers. The only one prime number is 2. Okay. The set of even prime number, there is only one even prime number. So the set C equal to 2 only. Okay. The given information, the set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. B equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. And C equal to 2. This is the given information. We have to verify the first result. The first result, what is the first result? A intersection B cross C equal to A cross C intersection B cross C. For this, first we take left hand side. What is LHS? A cross B. No. A intersection B cross C. First we have to find out within bracket. What is within bracket? A intersection B. So A intersection B equal to, already we learned in 9th standard, intersection means the elements common in both sets A and B. That elements present in both A and B. We know intersection. So first we write A intersection B. This is A, this is B. First we take 1 in A but not in B. So we leave it. Then 2, it is also present in B. So 2. Next we take 3, it is also present in B. 3. Next we take 4, this is not in B. We leave it. This is 5, it is also in B. So we write 5. This next element 6. 6 in A but not in B. So we leave it. 7 in A and B. So we write 7. So A intersection B equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Next we take A cross A intersection B cross C. Okay. What is A intersection B? This is the A intersection B. 2, 3, 5, 7 into C. What is C? Only one prime number. Prime, even prime number. Only 2. Okay? This is the Cartesian product, already we know. Cartesian product or cross product. First we take first element, multiply with the second set. So 2, 2 ordered pairs. 2, 2. First element over. Next we take second element. 3, 2. And then 5, 2. And the last one 7, 2. 7, 7, 2. This is the A intersection B cross C. Okay, left hand side over. Now right hand side. Okay, left hand side over. What is RHS? Okay, we have to find RHS. Right hand side. What is RHS? A cross C intersection B cross C. For this, we have to find A cross C, B cross C, and find the intersection. Okay. A cross C equal to, what is A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 7. B 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. First A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross C. C the only one element. 2. Only one element 2. This is A cross C. Now we have to find the cross product or Cartesian product. Okay. For this, first we take one element, multiply the second set. So 1, 2. First ordered pair is 1, 2. First element over, next second element. 2, 2. Third element. 3, 2. Fourth element. 4, 2. Fifth element. 5, 2. Sixth element. 6, 2. Seventh element. 7, 2. This is the A cross C. Okay. Next we have to find out B cross C. B cross C. B cross C equal to, what is B? 2, 3, 5, 7. Cross, what is C? 2. Now we have to find B cross C. For that, first we take first element. 2, 2. 2, 2. Comma. First element over the second element. 3, 2. Then 5, 2. Then 7, 2. Okay. This is B cross C. Now we have to find A cross C intersection B cross C equal to, intersection means common in A cross C and B cross C. For that, first you see here in A cross C 1, 2. Here there is no 1, 2. Leave it. Then 2, 2. Here is 2, 2. We write it. 2, 2. Then here 3, 2. Here also 3, 2. Okay. Next 4, 2. Here there is no 4, 2. Leave it. 5, 2. Here also 5, 2. Next in A cross C 6, 2. There is no 6, 2 in B cross C. Leave it. Then 7, 2. 7, 2. Over. This is the right hand side. We take this equation number 1. Left hand side 1. Right hand side equation number 2. From 1 and 2. From equation number 1 and 2. We get what? Here are the same. 2, 2. 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2, 7, 2. So these are equal. When we equal right hand side, we get left hand side also equal. Then we get the identity. A intersection B cross C. Cross C equal to A cross C intersection B cross C. Okay. Hence verified. Okay. Same. Right hand side same answer. Left hand side same. So we get the identity. Next, we see the second identity. For that, we take left hand side. What is left hand side? A cross B difference C. A cross B difference C. Okay. What is that A? For that, we have to find B difference C first. B difference C first. What is B difference C? That is elimination. Eliminate the element present in C from B. Eliminate the elements in C from B. Okay. Okay. What is B? 2, 3, 5, 7. Difference 2. So we should cancel the common element. Okay. The remaining 3, 5, 7. This is B difference C. Now A cross B difference C equal to what is A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is B difference C? 3, 5, 7. Now this is the Cartesian product. We have to write fastly. Already we know the Cartesian product. Just follow. First we take 1, multiply 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7. Second 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. The same way we should write. First 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7. First element over. Next second element 2, 3, 2, 5, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 7. Second element over third element. 3, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 7. Third element over, then the fourth element. 4 comma 3, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 7. 4 comma 3, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 7. Okay. Then the fifth element, 5. 5 comma 3, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 7. 5 comma 3, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 7. Then sixth element, 6. 6 comma 3, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 7. Okay. Then the last element is 7. 7 comma 3, 7 comma 5, 7 comma 7. 7 comma 3, 7 comma 5, 7 comma 7. All the elements are multiplied. Okay, this is A cross B difference C. Next we have to find right hand side. Right hand side. Already we know this is a Cartesian product of A cross B. So A cross B equal to, what is A? This is A, this is B. So we write 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 7. 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 7. The second element, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 7. The third element, 3, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 5 and 3 comma 7. Next, the fourth element, same way, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 7. Next, 5, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 7. Next, 6, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 5 and 6 comma 7. The last and final, 7. 7 comma 2, 7 comma 3, 7 comma 5, 7 comma 7. Okay, over. This is the A cross B. Next, A cross C. Next, let us find A cross C. Already we found A cross C. Okay. What is A cross C? A cross C equal to, A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. C is only one prime number 2. Okay. So 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2. Already we found. Okay. This is A cross C. Now A cross B difference A cross C equal to, where is A cross B? This is A cross B. This is A cross C. we subtract or remove A cross C from A cross B. That means we cancel common elements. This is opposite of intersection. Okay. Where is the common elements? What are the elements in C? A cross C? 1, 2. So we cancel 1, 2. 2, 2. We cancel 2, 2. 3, 2. We cancel 3, 2. Next 4, 2. Next 5, 2. Next 6, 2. Next 7, 2. So common elements we cancel. The remaining elements are the same. So now let us write 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7. Next 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. Next 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7. Next 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7. 7, 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 7. Okay. A cross B, difference A cross C. We mentioned this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. When we compare these two, all elements are same. All elements are same. So 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 7, 1, 7, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2, 7, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 7, 3, 7. So all are same. So these are equal. So we get the identity from 1 and 2 or 3, 4. Already we used 1, 2. So we use 3, 4. So from 3 and 4 we get what? What are the LHS? A cross B difference C equal to what is RHS? A cross B difference A cross C. Hence verified. Okay. Thank you.